you got windows like this that need painting, let's do a quicker, not quick, it's gonna be a longer video on how we're gonna prep this window to paint. All right, so here's a 3-pane window. It's a garage. It's an older window. Actually, it was clad in vinyl. It actually has old glazing, so this stuff has to all come out. Someone has painted already the window itself, so it has to be scraped. And then again, this needs to be glazed so there's no more further damage. The wood's kind of soft, but it's been raining for the past 3 days, so that doesn't help either. But you can kind of see rot in there. Can the window be saved? I mean, yeah, it can. Well, we would scrape all this stuff off, power wash all this mold away, scrape this loose paint, what's here, get rid of old caulk, all this stuff that's kind of hard. There's a wood conditioner, a couple different places make it, Minwax and some other ones. And so we would be putting some of that wood conditioner on this. It'll prevent any more rot from happening. Once you put that conditioner on there, we can fill it with exterior wood putty that made nothing else gets in there. Then we'll re-caulk it, re-glaze it, prime it, paint it. So you can kind of see these are kind of gone. They're not awful. It's not the worst window we've ever done before. But just these 3 windows alone, we're probably talking about 4 hours of work just on this, of all this prep work, cleaning, prep. It's not going to be done in one consistent thing. Some of the stuff has to dry. The putty itself, the glazing has to dry a little bit longer. But like for these 3 windows, I would say 4 to 5 hours would be our minimum cost. So pretty much like a painter for a day type thing. So about $600, $650-ish with materials to cover everything. So kind of gives you an idea on a window like this what you'd be in for. If you have questions on other windows and painting itself, give us a call. Otherwise, hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.